Hello, and welcome to another update video on ICP. ICP continues to hold our micro support zone. I get it, it's getting boring again, but I highlighted to you guys that this wave 4 that we're currently dealing with should ideally take a few weeks. Yeah, so I would not be surprised if we spend some more time in this sideways range here, and that could be between the parameters of our support area between $5.23 and $7.28 and our resistance parameters between $7.55 and $9.30. It's important to understand that so far from the all-time low, it's an all-time low, that formed on the 10th of October, we have only seen a 3-wave advance. So we've really only seen a 3-wave bounce, and that 3-wave bounce has taken the price to the 138% extension of the initial bounce and pullback. And this is important because this is at the same time the first ideal target for a third wave in our orange scenario. We have 3 waves up to $9.77. A pullback has started, okay, a pullback has started to unfold. I treat this as part of the wave 4, as you know. I still think it counts best as a 3-wave pullback, possibly in wave A of wave 4. And so as long as we're holding the $5.23 level, we might see another high. And only then we can really be more comfortable and confident in this entire reversal. Remember, we come from an all-time low. So we need 5 waves up, a series of higher highs and higher lows, to indicate that the trend is shifting to the upside. Well, as you can see, with only 3 waves, you don't have a series of higher highs and higher lows. It just doesn't work. So 5 waves is the absolute minimum pattern. You can get it. Yeah, you can achieve these 5 waves. That's also why the 5-wave move is typically what the market chooses. Yeah, because nature chooses usually the most efficient path. We're not talking about 9 waves or whatever. It's 5. Yeah, it's 5. So, if we have from here a bounce, then this would be the first resistance area to watch between $7.55 and $9.30. But there are some additional levels like $8.05, $8.81. And then from there we can get a C wave decline. And then from there we might start a 5th wave up. Okay, so that gives us 5 waves up. With these 5 waves, we would have wave 1 completed, and then the wave 2 pullback would be next, and we could see a 3rd wave start from there. This is what we would like to see from a bullish perspective. 5 up, 3 down. It's not so important how long this takes, this entire, consolidation correction here in wave 4. What we'd really love to see is that the market doesn't break below 523. If it does, that's the first indication that we really only topped in 3 waves, and we can really only expect a higher low to hold after we have 5 waves completed. At the moment, it's a bit of a wait and see situation where actually probabilities are quite balanced between the white count and the orange count. But orange has a chance because the price reached the first ideal target, right? So as I said, over the next few days and maybe even the weekend then, pay attention to the parameters we defined. The resistance parameters are weak because B waves sometimes overshoot. Support is more important in this case. That's the update on ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our X channel as well for additional charts, updates, news, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.